Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Matt Davenport.
And I'm Misty England. Our top story: blood, damage to Tylee's remains, and fingerprints.
That's what we heard from the expert testimony in the Lori Vallow Daybell murder trial today. We're also hearing from Tammy Daybell's sister. I
break down today's biggest developments and a warning: the details you're about to hear are graphic. 3 employees who work at the Idaho State Police Forensic Lab took the stand in day 17 of the Lori Vallow Daybell trial on Thursday. David Senserbo says the, quote, pint-sized can that had Tylee's remains also contained gasoline. Catherine Dace, forensic biologist, tested evidence collected during JJ's autopsy, including hand swabs, fingernails, teeth, and the plastics and duct tape found around his body. She also collected hairs and fibers from the tape and tested 18 hand tools seized from Chad's property when they found the kids. Dace says on those tools she found bloodstains, and on several also found what she believed was charred flesh. On one shovel and on both the blade and handle of a pickaxe, Dace was able to get a DNA profile, and testing showed it was a match to Tylee. Tara Martinez, an ISP forensic scientist, got prints from JJ's body, as well as fingerprints, footprints, and hair samples from Lori and Chad. She also got Alex Cox's fingerprints from Arizona police. Martinez was able to get a usable print off the black plastic bag that covered JJ's body that matched the right little finger of Alex. She also found another print matching his right palm. Rexburg Detective Chuck Kunsitis was recalled by the state and back on the stand Thursday. He discussed 2 satellite images of Chad's property, one taken on September 2nd, 2019, and the other taken September 9th, 2019, both at 12:32 p.m., less than an hour after records show Alex left the property on the 9th. Between the 2 images, there's a distinct, discolored and darkened shape in the pet cemetery where Tylee would later be found. The last witness on the stand Thursday was Samantha Gwilliam, Tammy Daybell's sister. She said Chad called her the morning her sister died and said Tammy had been really sick and coughing all night and, quote, he was awakened by her that morning when she rolled out of bed dead. But Samantha says Tammy visited her just 2 weeks before and was healthy, taking clogging classes and even training for a race. Samantha also described the changes in Chad and Tammy's relationship that started in 2019. And when they lived near the Daybells in Utah, she said Chad worked on the cemetery grounds and dug graves. Gwilliam will remain on the witness stand Friday to continue testimony. Also on the stand today were 2 FBI forensic experts from Quantico, Virginia. They talked about the trauma and damage done to Tylee's bones. Douglas Halapaska says there was evidence of chopping or stabbing motions, but he couldn't determine the exact tool that was used. You can follow all of our coverage on this case at kpvi.com.